Following is the recursive version of function to calculate factorial value. So this is a recursive version program for finding factorial value. So we use normal program, but this is dedicated recursive program. That means we are using dedicated recursive function here. So first line is main, which is a compulsory function. Now a and fact are integers, so int a comma fact. Now printf /n, enter any number. So /n is for next line, so enter any number. So we are telling user to enter that number, enter any number. Now scanf in semicolon %d. So %d is used for integers, comma ampersand a. So ampersand a is for reading that data and storing it as a. So that is used for ampersand a. Now fact rec a. So this rec is a function. We will write it later on after completion of this program. Now printf factorial value is equal to %d. Now factorial value is %d, means factorial value is integer, that is why is equal to %d. Now comma fact. So fact is used for fact which we are getting is a variable which was written in previous line. So fact is equal to rec a. So we are showing user that factorial value is fact now, that is percent. In place of %d it is written as fact. Now we will see rec function rec. Now rec int x. So we can write a here, int a here also, but compiler will understand it as a different variable. That's why x is written. So here we are performing task on a, which was stored earlier, but we are writing here x because compiler is still going to recognize it as different variable. Now rec int x. Now int f, if int f, so f is another integer we are defining. F is another integer. Now if x is equal to 1, so if x is 1, that means this 2 times is equal to operator is used for comparison x with 1. Now return to 1, that means return on previous value, or else f is equal to x star rec x minus 1, or semicolon, and return f. Now let us check output of this program and then we will explain it. Output: enter any number 1, factorial value 1, enter any number 3, factorial value 6. So this was output. Let us understand this recursive factorial function thoroughly. In first run, when the number entered through scanf is 1, let us see what action does rec take. The value of a, that is 1, is copied into x since x turns out to be 1. The condition if x is equal to 1 is satisfied, and hence 1, which indeed is the value of 1 factorial, is returned through return statement. When the number entered through scanf is 2, that is x is equal to 1, test fails, so we reach the statement f is so when the number entered through scanf is 2, so x is not equal to 1, so test is failing, so we reach the statement f is equal to x star rec minus 1, and here is where we meet recursion. So this is a recursive statement starting now, and here is we met recursion. How do we handle the expression x star rec x minus 1? So we multiply x by rec x minus 1, Since the current value of x is 2, it is same as saying that we must calculate the value 2 star rig 1. We know that value returned by rig 1 is 1, so the expression reduces to 2 star 1 or simply 2. Thus the statement x star rig x minus 1 evaluates to 2, which is stored in variable f and is returned to main, where it is duly printed as factorial value 2 is equal to 2.